Welcome to the look back at the InterCity's Scottish Push-Pull Tour that ran from the 24th to the 26th of February 2023, where first we would pick up in the Beatock Summit, running 1Z11, 10:01 Crewe to Edinburgh, passing round 13:31 with 47.712 leading DBSO's 9.707, seen here passing Bodsbury. The day after and the push-pull set would return to its main stomping ground, being the Edinburgh to Glasgow section via Falkirk High, running 1Z12, 0902 Edinburgh to Glasgow Queen Street, passing Edinburgh Park around 0913 with DBSO 9707 leading. Then moving west a bit to Park Farm near Linlithgow to now see the tour 1Z13, 1000 Glasgow Queen Street to Edinburgh Waverley, passing it around 10:20. Now the tour will return back to Glasgow under 1Z14, 11:22 Edinburgh Waverley return to Glasgow, passing here at Greenhill Upper Junction at around 11:50. Then the tour would change its head code to 1Z15, 12:32 Glasgow Queen Street to Inverness, and perhaps one of the luckiest spots of sun ever at Blackford, passing around 13:43. The last day of the tour certainly started out with the best weather overlooking Stirling Castle at Old Plain, with the tour running 1Z16, 0900 Inverness to Glasgow Queen Street, passing here around 14:22 with DBSO 9707 leading. The final leg of the tour would see it run 1Z18, the 16:15 Edinburgh Waverley to Crewe, passing Brunson Bridge here at 16:23 with 47.712 leading after reversing in Glasgow Queen Street.